Namaste Macho. Today I am here with the next topic of the chapter factorization of polynomial, and today we will discuss the cube of a binomial, that is a plus b ka whole cube and a minus b ka whole cube, and its converse to how we will use this identity in factorization. We will see it. So let us see it one by one. So let us find a plus b the whole cube is equal to what? A plus b the whole cube of a plus b, that is cube of a binomial. This is an algebraic expression having two terms, so it is a binomial, and let us find its cube. To find its cube, you may write it as a plus b and a plus b the whole square. Okay, now a plus b, and it will, the formula of a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now let us multiply it. First multiply a by a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then b by a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so let us multiply it. It will be a cube plus ab square plus 2ab. When multiplied by a, it will be 2a square b plus a square b plus b cube, and then 2ab multiplied by b will be 2ab square. Now write the cube first, a cube, and then b cube is here, then write b cube plus a square b, 2a square b, a square b will be 3a square b, and ab square and plus 2ab square will be 3ab square. Then it will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab is common in these two terms. So take 3ab as common, then it will be here a will left and here b will left. So a plus b the whole cube will become a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, this is your formula for a plus b the whole cube. And to factorize a polynomial, if a polynomial is given in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, then we write it as a plus b the whole cube, and then its factor will be, it will become a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. This is the factorization of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Its factorization will be a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Okay, now we will see what is the value of the second identity, a minus b the whole cube. So let us find it. Now let us find a minus b the whole cube. So it will be written as a minus b the whole square. So it will be equal to a minus b and a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us multiply it. First multiply a with a square minus 2ab plus b square and minus b, then minus b with a square minus 2ab plus b square, and multiply it. A cube will be here minus 2a square b square, a multiplied will be ab square, minus plus will be minus, a square multiplied by b will be a square b, minus minus plus 2ab multiplied by b will be 2ab square, and minus plus will be minus b square will be multiplied by b, then it will become b cube. Now a cube is here, minus b cube is here, and minus 2a square b minus a square b will be minus 3a square b, and plus ab square plus 2ab square will become 3ab square. Therefore a cube minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b in plus 3ab square, or it will can be written as or a cube a minus b the whole cube, sorry, a minus b the whole cube will be a cube minus b cube, and in these two terms 3ab is common. So here a will left, and minus multiplied by plus will be minus, and b will left here. So either a minus b the whole cube is this, or a minus b cube is also written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, and to factorize if expression is given in the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, then it can be written as a minus b the whole cube, and then its factor will be a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. Okay, so to factorize we use its converse. Okay, question, some problems of exercise 3rd E based on this identity, and your question is third question of question number 1. You have to expand 1 plus 2 by 3a the whole cube, that is your a is equal to 1 here, and b is equal to 2 upon 3a. Okay, now a plus b the whole cube, a plus b the whole cube, as we have find it just, is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity we will use to expand it. So a 1 plus 2 upon 3a the whole cube will be equal to a cube, that is 1 ka cube, plus b cube, that is 2 upon 3a ka whole cube, plus 3a, that is 1 into b, 2 by 3a into a plus b, 1 plus 2 by 3a. Okay, now these 3 will be cancelled with this 3, then 1 cube will be equal to 1, 2 cube will be equal to 8, 3 cube will be equal to 27, and a cube will be equal to a cube, plus 1 into a will be a multiplied by 1 plus 2 by 3a. Now remove this bracket by multiplying with a, then 2 upon 27 a cube plus a multiplied by a will be a, and 2 by 3a multiplied by a will be 2 by 3a square. This is your answer. Okay, now let us see one more problem based on a minus b the whole cube. This is the third question of 2. So 4 by 5a minus 2 the whole cube is given. So here your a is equal to 4 by 5a. At the place of a you have to write 4 upon 5a, and at the place of b you have to write minus 2. So a minus b the whole cube is a cube, that is 4 by 5a the whole cube, minus b cube, that is 2 the whole cube, sorry, minus 2 is b is equal to 2. So b cube is here, so b cube at the place of b you have to write 2, and then minus 3a at the place of a you have to write 4 by 5a, and at the place of b you have to write 2, and then a minus b, so 4 by 5a minus 2 will be here. Then the cube of 4 is 64 and cube of 5 is 125 a cube, minus cube of 2 is 8, and minus 3 4 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24 upon 5 a multiplied by 4 upon 5a minus 2. Now multiply it, it will become 64 upon 1 to 5 a cube minus 8 minus 24 4 ja 96, 5 5 ja 25, and a multiplied by a will be a square, and this minus when multiplied by this minus it will be equal to plus, and 24 2 multiplied by 2 will be 48 upon 5, and a is here, so it will be a. This is your expansion for the given expression 4 by 5a minus 2 the whole cube. Okay. Question number 4 of exercise 3rd E. This is the converse of identity, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square is given. Then it is given in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and then you have to factorize it. You have to factorize it. Factorize. So to factorize it, let us convert it in the form of a cube. You know that 64 is the cube of 4 and a cube is the cube of a. So 64 a cube is can be written as 4a the whole cube, minus this is the cube of 3 and b cube is the cube of b. So it can be written as 3b the whole cube minus 3a square. At the place of a now 4a is here, so write 4a square, 4a the whole square, and b at the place of b you have to write 3b, and then plus sign is here, 3ab square. At the place of a you have to write 4a, and at the place of b you have to write 3b the whole square. If you simplify it, 4 4 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48, and 48 3 ja 144 a square b will be, it will become equal to this term, and this one when simplified will become to equal to 108 ab square. So now it is in the form of, now it is in the form a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and plus 3ab square. Okay, it is in the form, it is in the form itna, where your a is equal to 4a and b is equal to 3b, and its value is equal to a minus b the whole cube. Therefore this will become, it is the rough work, okay, so this will become equal to a minus b the whole cube. At the place of a you have to write 4a, so this will become 4a minus b, that is 3b ka whole cube, and then you can write it in the form of factor, that is 4a minus 3b raised to the power 3. So write it in the product 3 times, 4a minus 3b and again 4a minus 3b. This is the factorization for the given expression. Okay, let us see question number 8. Your question number 8 is, you have to factorize 64 upon 125a cube minus 96 upon 25a square and 48 upon 5a minus 8. Now you can see this is the cube of 4 and this is the cube of 5 and this is the cube of a, but 96 is not a cube of any number, but 8 is the cube of 2. So this is a cube and this is your b cube. Okay, so write it as 64 upon 125 a cube and then write minus 8 and then 96 upon 2 25 a square and 48 upon 5 a. Then this will be equal to 4 upon 5 a the whole cube and this will be equal to 2 the whole cube minus 3a. At the place of a now you have 4 by 5 a and at the place of b you have 2 and plus 3a, that is 4 upon 5a into b square, that is 2 the whole square. Okay, then it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a square b. Okay, this will be a square. 4 square is 16, 16 3 ja 48, 2 ja 96, so it will become to this term. Then it will be, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is equal to a minus b the whole cube. So at the place of a, your a is equal to 4 upon 5a and b is equal to 2. So it will be equal to 4 upon 5a minus 2 the whole cube. So you have to factorize, so write it thrice in the product. 4 by 5a minus 2, 4 by 5 a minus 2 and 4 by 5a minus 2. This is your answer for the given expression. The factorization of this polynomial will be equal to 4 by 5a and minus 2, 4 by 5a minus 2 and 4 by 5a minus 2. Okay, now let us see 99 the whole cube you have to find. Okay, then you have to find 99 the whole cube. So this can be written as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Now a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so your a is equal to 100 here and b is equal to 1. So this will be 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3a, that is 100 into b, that is 1, and to a minus b, that is 100 minus 1. So it will be equal to 100 cube is equal to 10 lakh and minus 1 minus 300 multiplied by 99. Subtract 100 minus 1 will be equal to 99. Then it will be equal to 10 lakh minus 1 minus multiply 3 9 are 27 and 27 to 29 and 0 will be here. Then you have to subtract 29701. This will be added, the sign will be of minus because both are negative. Then you have to subtract it. So if you have difficulty to subtract, then write it in the form of column 29701. Now subtract it. This will be 9, this will be 9 9 7 2, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 2 will be 7, and here will be 9. So it will be equal to 9 7 2 2 9 9. This will be your answer for the given question. 9702999. Here you have to sub 29 is here, so it will be 0. 970299. 970299 will be your answer. Okay, so we have finished exercise 3rd E today. Now we will see the factorization of sum or difference of cubes in next class. Okay.